right, well today we're here with Kevin, and this was one of the lawn renovations we did back here in the beginning of fall. And so I've asked Kevin if he didn't mind to, just in his own words, not a script, to kind of tell us about his experience. And so anyway, Kevin agreed to do that, so here he is.
Good morning, my name is Kevin. I wanted to say a few words about Allen Austin and Virginia Yard Pros. I've lived at this location for about 8 years, and I have never had a front yard. I mean, you can see I've got huge oak trees that pretty much shade the yard, and it's always been just basically dirt with a few patches of green here and there. But this year we finally decided to do something about it, and as you can see, I've got lush, beautiful green grass. We're about 6 weeks in. I've mowed twice, and it just looks fantastic. You know, I can't say enough good things about Allen and his services. He's been super helpful. Anytime I had a question, text or call him. He's always been there. Just super services. I'm thrilled that we decided to go forward with this.
I can do this here. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! All right. Well, thank you, Kevin. Appreciate those kind words. As you can tell, Kevin's got a lot of leaves. He's got these big oak trees, much like I do in my yard. And one of the things I was a little concerned about is whether we would have a good enough stand of grass for him to be on it and to be able to deal with getting the leaves off. But he got a new blower, and he's been very diligent at doing that. So that's one thing when you plant in the fall and you have leaves, you do have to have a plan for getting those off, because that will just suffocate the new grass out. So anyway, we'll continue to keep check on things and make sure things are coming along nicely.
About Allen Austin's lawn care. Wait a minute, hold on, Allen.
It's Virginia Yard Pros. All right, so we got one blooper.
Virginia Lawn Bros, right?
Yeah, Virginia Yard Pros.
Yard Pros.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You've been watching Outdoors with Allen. I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.